Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a eBay account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for eBay. And once you've searched for eBay, simply tap on this application right over here, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on my eBay and now click on sign in. Now, since you don't have an account, what you want to do is on the bottom, there's going to be haven't signed up yet, create an account tab, tap on that. And now you can either continue with Apple, Facebook, Google, or just click on continue with email, add your email, first name, surname, click on continue, and they're going to ask you to create a password as well. Once you've done that, they're going to ask you to verify your email by sending you a code on your email. Just check your email and enter that code back into this application, and that is it. Your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.